Hello kids, today we are going to learn all the shapes. Okay, no, 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 yes, this is rectangle, this is rectangle, yellow rectangle. Wow, is it fit there? No, 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 yes, this is triangle, this is red triangle. Oh wow, is it fit here? No, no, no. Yes, this is parallelogram. This is pink parallelogram. Parallelogram fits here. Yes. Oh wow. No, no, no. Yes, this is semicircle. This is semicircle. Green semicircles. Wow, amazing. Oh, no, no. Yes, this is stars. This is pink stars. Wow, fabulous. Oh, no, no, no. Yes, this is octagon. This is blue octagon. Wow. No, no. Yes, this is heart. This is green heart. Wow. It's gonna fit here. No. Here. No. Here. Oh no. Yes. This is quadrifoil. Orange quadrifoil. Wow. Amazing. It's gonna fit here. No. 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 Yes. Oval. This is blue oval. Oval shape is here. Wow. Amazing. No. 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 Yes. This is circle. This is yellow circle. Wow. It's gonna fit here. No. No. Here. No. Ooh. Wow. Yes. This is hexagon. This is red hexagon. Wow. Oh no. 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 Yes. This is pentagon. This is blue pentagon. Let's put it here. Wow. No. No. Yes. This is pie. This is orange pie. Wow. It's gonna fit here. No. Here. No. Oh, wow. Which shape is this, kids? This is trapezoid. This is trapezoid. Wow. Let's put it here. Amazing. No. Yes, yes. This is square. This is green square. Wow. Let's put the cross obviously here. It is blue cross. Wow. Thank you for watching our video.